Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the new Instagram Reel feature. I'm going to keep it very short and sweet because it's so easy to create an Instagram Reel. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is open your Instagram stories and press on the Reels option at the bottom of your screen. You will see some tools on the left side of your screen. So first you've got music. Press on the music button to add background music for your video. If you don't have the music feature yet, check out the blog post in the description box below. We've shared a bunch of tips and tricks that you can use to get the music feature. Next, you can choose the speed of your video. You can make it look fast or you can do a slow motion. Then you've got effects. You use this to apply a filter on your video. Then you've got the timer, and there are two awesome things about the timer. First, you can use it if you want to record a video hands-free. Or second, you can choose how long you want your video clip to be. For example, you might want to record a 5-second clip and then a 10-second clip. Or you might want all your clips to be 5 seconds sharp to make your video look very clean and sharp. Okay, let's create your reel. You have two options. First, upload a video from your phone's camera roll. Or second, press on the Reel button to record a video. I'm going to upload a video from my camera roll. As soon as you upload or record a video, Instagram will set you up for the next clip. And if you want to check what you just recorded, just press on the back button, and here you can trim your video. Then you just continue and add more clips. And here's a quick tip. Check the red bar on top of your screen to see how long your video is. A reel can be 15 seconds max, and 15 seconds is represented by the full width of your screen. So when you see that you're approaching the end of your screen, it means you're almost done with your video. And once you're done adding more clips, press on the next button, and here you can preview your video reel. If you want to change something like delete a clip or add a clip, press on the back button on top of your screen. And as you can see, you also have access to the usual Insta Story features. You can save your video from your camera roll. This is awesome if you want to schedule your videos in your Preview app, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But basically, you just have to save your videos, then upload them inside of your Preview app, and this way you can plan your feed in advance and post later. Alright, on to the next feature. You can also add stickers, GIFs, text, and you can also draw. Once you're done, press next. And here you can write your captions and your hashtags. You can even change the cover of your video. And if you don't know what the cover is, it's the thumbnail of your video. It's what people will see when they're scrolling on your feed. You can choose another clip from your video as a cover, or you can upload your own image from your camera roll. Another cool thing is you can share your reel video in your Instagram story, and you can share your reel on your Instagram feed too. Highly recommended, so that when people come and visit your page, they can see your content and consume your content straight away. And when you're ready, you can press on share to post your video, and you're done. There are other little fun editing tricks that you can use, like how to make your text appear and disappear during your video, or how to delete a clip in the middle of your video when you're editing. But like I said, I just wanted to keep this video short and sweet so that you know the basics. If you want to see those tricks though, check out the blog post in the description box below. And if you love Instagram as much as I do and you want to plan your feed and your reel videos at the same time, check out Preview app. Have fun, and until next time, see you on Instagram.